Welcome again to Division Home and Gardening. Today I'm with you here. We want to try to plant sugar cane. I have these 8 containers, which is I'm going to cut the top of that in order to be able to put the sugar cane in it. We are going to put at least 3 notes here. Now that we have prepared the egg container, we are going to put some water in it. And we are going to put the sugar cane into it. And now we are going to seal the top just to make sure that it will not get dry. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.